Hello everybody, and I bring you today. Our set is pioneering 15 kilowatts installation video. Teach everyone. Then let's put the gas tank first. Take out this accessory, a pressure gauge, a safety valve, a drain valve. So let's talk about it here. Where are our gas tanks? Why do you pretend when lying down? Because you see our drain valve. It's installed below. What if it stands up? Just lie on the ground and pretend. It is not good to install our safety valve. It is installed on this top. It's not easy to pretend if it stands up very high. So when we lay down, just pack it. First we install the drain valve. Wrap it with raw material tape first. Like normal we wrap words. Wrap 15 minus 20 laps, because we're doing a demo now. So not so much. Just do a demo. 15 minus 20 turns normally. Then take a wrench and give him this clockwise. Tighten like this. Okay, tighten it. Then we put this pressure gauge on. What about the pressure gauge? Because of this piece, he's the one with the straight thread. This raw material belt can be a little longer. It's fine for 20 to 25 days. Otherwise, it is easy to leak air. Put it in this position. Then take this wrench too. Tighten it. Then we finally put this safety valve. Put it on. Wrap the same 15 minus 20 turns. Talk about it here. The safety valve is empty here. This place doesn't need to be blocked. Many friends have asked us. This place, do you want to block it with something? Will there be air leaks? Because it just keeps you from getting too stressed. It bounces off and drains away from here. No traffic here. Never use a wrench to tighten it. Then we turn the machine on. Open this door panel. There is a tube inside it. Take this tube out. Then install it with us. Same. We also wrap it 20 times. You don't need to use this end. Wrap plastic bag. There are strings. You can string this pipe. Then a white gasket. See the pad to the mouth of our bottle. This front, there's no need to wrap plastic bags around here. Then put it on this end. If there are no friends with pipe pliers, can everyone just screw this on? Don't wrap it in a plastic bag. No need to wrap plastic bags. There will be no air leakage at the tightening point. Tightened like this. Then we find a fill. Wrap it up. The same is 15 minus 20 laps. Our air intake is below. The air outlet is above. The air inlet fits it here. After tightening again, we're going to run this pipe this way. Take it out and take a look. This is the bell mouth. If you look at this end, you don't have to wrap the raw material tape. Then this end of the bottle. We wrap the raw material to wrap it. Then screw it here. Okay, let's screw this end of the pipe on. You don't need to wrap the raw material tape around this end. Tighten. We also found such a fill core for the air outlet. Wrap it with raw material tape, then screw it into our air outlet. Then we find one of the hexagons. Both ends are externally threaded pairs. To wrap the raw material belt tightly, then screw it here. Then take out our filter. There are 3 filters in total. Here is Q. Let's take a look at the Q level. Cube's 3 level has S. And take a look at the top. Be sure to pay attention to the direction of this arrow. This is a arrow tail. This is the head. This is intake. This is venting. The intake part is installed here. When everyone tightens, try to face down. It's okay to tilt a little bit. Don't face up. Then face down like this. Then find another hexagonal pair of wires. Let's pay attention to this. Just put a raw material belt on one end. Then screw it here. Tighten it again. High pressure hose. Take a look at the mouth of the bottle. Connect a gasket to this end of the bottle mouth. Screw it directly onto our connector. In fact, our installation is quite simple. There is a movable wrench in the middle. We remove the other joint of the pipe. This end is taper. It's flat. The flat end is wrapped with a raw material tape. Installed on the air inlet of our cold dryer. Take a look at the air inlet tightening. After tightening, screw our pipe directly on. And here we have a level to filter. Take a look, it's P-rated. Then the arrow is still placed with us. You can relax here. It doesn't matter. Then in one of our outer hexagonal pairs of wires. You are actually in the process of installing. This raw material belt needs to be wrapped a little more. Screw him here. After screwing it. Then this last filter is our 3rd level filter. Take a look at the S level, and then again, the arrow direction. Pay attention. Pay a little attention when screwing this. Don't screw it in diagonally. If the screw tooth is broken, it will leak air. Can you leave the front untightened? Finally take this to screw. In this case, it will be a little easier to twist. And make sure when tightening, the 2 of us are facing down. What about these 3? It's one of our automatic drainers. Wrap a little raw material tape around it. This can be a little less entangled. About 10 laps is fine. Then screw under this filter. Tighten, screw all 3 on. Be sure to tighten it. Otherwise it will leak. Like this. One last look. We are not matched for this follow-up. Because everyone receives it differently. The pipe fittings installed are also different. So it's you in the back. The piping of the entire workshop. It's gone later. We installed the whole thing here. It's over. You can take a look.